Hi guys! Happy Pride Month! We're celebrating at DJ Boutique with a super colorful and cheerful hair bow that you're going to love. To make this hair bow, we'll be working with grist grain ribbon and I'll be using rainbow colors. The size of the ribbon is 1 cm wide and 21 cm long. We'll arrange the ribbons by lining them up. We'll apply glue along this line to hold the ribbons together. If you're making these in bulk, using a sewing machine is much quicker and more durable. That's what we do for our shop orders. Speaking of which, we do sell this hair bow and I've included a product link in the description if you'd like to check it out. So in this tutorial, I'm showing you a simple method for those who don't have a sewing machine. Gluing works perfectly and is super easy. While waiting for the glue to dry, we'll set this aside and begin working on our top bow. For our top bow, we have 3 pieces of 2.5 cm wide and 18 cm long. And 1 piece for 15 cm long. Get your needle and thread ready, we'll start sewing soon. Grab this piece of ribbon and fold it to mark the center point. Insert the needle at the center point. Take the other ribbon. Then the next one. And we will arrange them like this. Now it's time to form our bow. We'll wrap the thread once and gently pull it with our fingers to shape the bow. Wrap the thread around again to secure the shape. For the last ribbon, we'll follow the same process. The tail of our bow is dry and ready. Now we'll glue them together. For the centerpiece, I have glittered canvas, but you can also use ribbon. Next, we'll attach the hair clip. It's finished! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!